Hi, this is Beth, and I realized that last time I did my video of showing you how to use the recording software on the presenter, that it didn't record. All it recorded was what I did in the presenter screen. So I think that's what we actually want, but I want to make a recording to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the presenter. It's plugged into my computer already, and I have the software downloaded. So we'll just go ahead and wait for that to open up. Hopefully when it does, we will see what we want to see, which would be some graph paper. Here it goes. All right, there is the graph paper. I'm going to check my orientation. Yeah, we're going from left to right over this way. You can kind of see it. I like full screen. I'm going to make this full screen. All right, so I'm actually going to double record this. So I'm going to push this recorder button to use the recording software on the presenter program as well. You can see down in this corner that I am also using Smartboard software so that you can see the controls on the screen. When I use the presenter software to record, these don't actually show up. All right, but before I do that, I am going to want to change some things here. So I could focus it. It actually looks pretty focused. Let's try and write something. So if I want to show how to graph equations, y equals 1/2 x plus 2. Okay, that looks pretty clear. All right, so let's go ahead and record. All right, so I just put the record button down here. There's a stop button. Notice the time. This will not show up on that recording. All right, so let's see. We've got the +2. That's going to be our y-intercept. Run of 1/2. Rise up 1. Run 2. So that was our 1/2. And that will tell us where our line goes. We could continue that same pattern to get a nice straight line. Continue that pattern backwards. Also to get us a nice straight line. And then we could talk about this graph if we wanted to. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put stop and show you what to do from there. All right, so from there, let me go ahead and I forget how to do this. Okay, I'm going to escape out of full screen. Pushing that up in the upper corner. I'm going to look at my preview section. So you can see here's some of the videos I did earlier. Here's this one. So I could go ahead and open that up. I could play it. Hopefully you will also hear me talking. I'm not sure how that's going to play back with my recording and playing at the same time. So here it shows up in my window media player up here. I'm going to just pause it. Bink. And I forget how to save it. Oh, this little button down here. Oh, view full screen. All right, that gave me a chance to test it out. Here I can go ahead and save it. So let me move this up so we can see those controls. Down here it says share. That's what I'm going to put. I'm going to export items to, and I just want it on my desktop. That is fine. Copy successfully to desktop. All right, I didn't see it show up, but if I move this out of the way, there it is. It's right here on my desktop. So I'm going to just rename that, and then I will save that if I wanted to. All right, so that's how you do it. You just do the recording. It will only show when you use the presenter what's going on in here. I will also save that file to my YouTube channel. All right, thanks guys.